Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Reland Real Estate Group WordPress theme step by step. Reland is a modern and professional real estate theme built with Elementor, perfect for property listings, real estate agencies, and brokers. Let's get started. Timestamp. Step 1. Download the theme, 020 to 050. First, download the Reland WordPress theme zip file from the marketplace where you purchased it. If you downloaded a full package, unzip it on your computer and locate the installable theme file, usually named reland.zip. This is the file we'll upload to WordPress. Step 2. Install the theme, 050 to 140. Now, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Next, click Add New, then click Upload Theme at the top. Choose the reland.zip file from your computer and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the theme. Step 3. Install required and recommended plugins, 140 to 230. After activating the theme, you'll see a notification asking you to install required and recommended plugins. Click on Begin Installing Plugins. Install and activate important plugins like Elementor, Demo Importer, and other real estate-related plugins. These plugins are necessary for the theme to work properly and match the demo design. Step 4. Import demo content, 230 to 330. To make your website look like the Reland demo, go to Appearance or Theme Options, then click on Demo Import. Choose your preferred demo layout and click Import. Please wait while WordPress imports pages, images, menus, and settings. This may take a few minutes depending on your hosting speed. Final customization, 330 to 40. Once the demo import is complete, your website will look just like the demo. You can now edit pages using Elementor, update property listings, customize menus, and adjust colors and fonts. And that's it. Reland theme is successfully installed. Outro. Optional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.